Hello, dear students. We are meeting together with a very long interval of time, and we were discussing the chapter rotational dynamics. And today's most important article is what is sphere of death. Sphere of death consists of a spherical metallic cage in which rider with vehicle is moving either horizontally or vertically inside the spherical cage. For our entertainment in various exhibitions, in various circuses, such a type of spherical sphere of death is existing, and the show of sphere, the working of spherical sphere of death, we have seen many times. So when the vehicle is moving in a horizontal plane with smaller radius like this, in a horizontal plane with a smaller radius inside the cage, inside the metallic cage, then working of sphere of death is similar to the working of conical pendulum. Most important thing. And when the vehicle is moving like this, when the vehicle is moving like this, when the vehicle is moving like this, when the vehicle is moving vertically in a vertical plane inside the spherical cage, then working of sphere of death is similar to the vertical circular motion of mass m tied to the string. That means during vertical circular motion, the working of sphere of death is very similar to the vertical circular motion of mass m tied to the string, that we have already seen. This is only the things given in your book. What are the additional things that we want to discuss? The additional thing is that we know for any circular motion v is equal to r omega, that we know. For larger radius, linear velocity is larger, the magnitude of the linear velocity is larger, and magnitude of the angular velocity is smaller. See here, when v is equal to r omega, and from that when radius of the circular motion is larger, if r is larger, then of course magnitude of the linear speed is larger. But as long as the magnitude of the linear speed is larger, the magnitude of the angular velocity is smaller. That I have already discussed with you, that I have tried to show with the help of diagram. If the vehicle moves in horizontal plane, then what happens? That I have already told you. When the vehicle is moving in horizontal plane inside the cage, then what happens? What happens? That sphere of death acts as a working of conical pendulum. That I have written here. Suppose this is a vehicle. Most important thing is that here, for a conical pendulum, the sphere is tied to the string. But here is no string. So tension acting on the string is not here, because no string is here. Instead of tension, normal reaction capital N is acting towards the center instead of tension acting on the string in conical pendulum. This is only the difference that I have shown here. Then another thing is that I have already told you, that if the vehicle moves in vertical motion, then that I have already told you that working of sphere of death is similar to the working of vertical circular motion of mass m tied to the string. But no string is here, no string. That vehicle is not connected to the string inside the cage, inside the spherical cage. This is only the difference. So there is no tension acting on the string, because the vehicle is not connected to the string. So instead of tension, there is a normal reaction. Another thing is same. See here, velocity at top is Va, velocity at bottom is Vc, velocity at midpoint is Vd. Working of sphere of death is similar to the working of Vcm of mass m connected to the string. That diagram you have already learn at the time of VCM. At the time of VCM, instead of tension, normal reaction is acting towards the center, and this mg, weight of the vehicle, is split up into two components. Which are that two components? Mg cos theta and mg sin theta. Where out of that, this mg cos theta is acting outward direction and normal reaction is acting in the inward direction. So this normal reaction and this mg cos theta are acting in opposite direction, and from that two forces we get resultant centripetal force. That resultant centripetal force we got is capital N minus mg cos theta, because capital N is acting vertically inward, capital N is acting in the inward direction, mg cos theta is acting in the outward direction. Resultant is nothing but the subtraction, and that subtraction is always inward. So N minus mg cos theta is equal to mv square upon r. So this is the general equation we got. N minus mg cos theta is equal to mvp square upon r. I have taken p point here, and from that we get what? Normal reaction capital N is equal to mvp square upon r plus mg cos theta. That is equation capital A. Only the difference between VCM and the working of sphere of death is, in VCM we got formula capital T is equal to mvp square upon r plus mg cos theta. But here instead of capital T we write capital N, normal reaction acting on the top of the vehicle perpendicular to its surface. So capital N is equal to this. Then we will build up three equations. The first one is that I have written on the board. See here, normal reaction acting at point C. Normal reaction acting at point C. What is the normal reaction here? So write down general equation. At theta is equal to, when the body is at point C, when the vehicle is at point C, there is no angle. Theta is equal to 0. Vc is equal to root of 5 rg. Put that these two values here. So we can write what? Capital N is equal to m. Instead of Vp square I will write Vc square, because the vehicle at point C, upon r plus mg cos theta. Put theta is equal to 0 because vehicle is here. There is no angle. Vehicle is itself here. Theta is equal to 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. And Vc square is equal to 5 rg. By putting all values you will get normal reaction is equal to 6 mg. In vertical circular motion, tension acting on the string at bottom is 6 mg. Instead of tension we get normal reaction here. Capital N is equal to 6 mg. Then normal reaction acting at point A. Normal reaction acting at point A. Write down same formula again. Capital N m. Instead of Vc square write down Va square upon r plus mg cos theta. This is the angle. When the vehicle is moving like this from bottom to top, angle is 180 degree, that I have written here. Va is equal to root rg, that we know, velocity at top. By putting all values, cos of 180 degree is equal to minus 1, and by putting all values you will get capital N is equal to mg minus mg is equal to 0. So normal reaction acting on the vehicle at the top of the sphere is 0. Instead of tension we get normal reaction here. Then normal reaction acting on the vehicle at midpoint. Where is midpoint? Midpoint is D. Midpoint is D. Normal reaction acting at point D. When the vehicle is here, then angle is 90 degree from this to this. See here, theta is equal to 90 degree. Vd is equal to root of 3 rg. That we know. Put that values here. Vd square is equal to 3 rg. Cos 90 is equal to 0. And you will get only capital N is equal to 3 mg plus 0 is equal to 3 mg. Capital N is equal to 3 mg. That all things that I have discussed here, it is not for your board examination. It is only for your competitive examination. So as long as the sphere of death is concerned, the most important sentences we know is sphere of death is nothing but a metallic spherical cage in which rider with vehicle is moving inside the cage, inside the spherical cage. We call it as sphere of death. When the vehicle is moving in a horizontal plane with small radius, then working of sphere of death is acting as a working of conical pendulum. And when the vehicle is moving in a vertical circular motion inside the sphere of death, at that time the working of sphere of death is nothing but is similar to the working of VCM, vertical circular motion of mass m tied to the string. What are the differences? That differences I have quoted on the board. Listen it carefully, read it again and again, and understand well what is meant by sphere of death. Goodbye. We will stop here.